The Marsram Electronic Throttle Body offers a precise replacement for many Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram models that use the Pentastar six-cylinder engine, making it a practical choice for owners of multiple vehicles in the same family. Its electronically controlled valve delivers very accurate airflow, which helps smooth out acceleration and can noticeably improve throttle response compared with a worn factory unit. By restoring proper air and fuel balance, this throttle body can help engines idle more steadily and may contribute to better fuel use on highway and city drives. The housing and internal components are built from heat-resistant, wear-resistant materials, so it stands up well to the high temperatures and vibration common in modern engine bays. Integrated sensors are tuned to provide stable feedback to the engine computer, which reduces random stalling issues and check engine warnings that often appear when the original part starts to fail. Installation is straightforward for a home mechanic with basic tools, and after a simple relearn procedure, the engine typically settles into a smooth, consistent idle.